Pop Century 38, last box we got. Close it out with a banger. So I go 6 cards. Just gonna go for 6 for 6. Going with the over. I like that pick. Tell you, I'm gonna going 6 for 6 here. Alright, so Dooley. Oh, the Favre Stiller. The dual pre-production proof. Oh, that's 2 for 2 to start it off. A double B spot, GB. Kelsey Grammer. I got 2 on the last one, so that's a wash. It still goes 6 for 6. The K spot. It's Chris. Alright, first auto, Drake Bell. I know him. The D spot, Blue Ice. It's Jose. That 1 of 7. Melissa Gilbert. I don't know her. M spot, Derek. So 5 of 5. Vinyl signs, Nick Carter. He looks familiar, but I couldn't tell you. Damn. 2 for 2. A little Dooley to close it out. See a couple ladies on there. That's sick. Megan Fox, Amanda Seyfried. Dual co-stars. I have definitely seen her, and I definitely know her. Ooh, 101 dual auto, Megan and Amanda. M. Derek A. Zaven. Big rando. Backstreet Boys? I know the Backstreet Boys, but I couldn't tell you who's members. Ooh, way to close out this box. Or close out the case. I think it was first Fox auto. Crazy chicks. Yeah, is that Megan's auto? Yeah, so Megan will be top. Transformers, Megan Fox. Golly. Alright, good luck, guys. 5 times top letter taking it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amanda Seyfried taking it down for the ace spot. 7. Got the duel. Backdoor Boys? I've never heard of that. Backdoor Boys. Like a Backstreet Boys spoof? Jeez. Nice hit, Evan. That's... Took the red eye. So good. Right, Chris, M is Derek, D Jose, K, Chris, and as well, and double B. Oh, look at GB, got him a 5. Favre. Favre Stiller. Still don't remember what movie that's from. Melissa. The key. It's throwing missiles. It was supposed to be Kelsey Plum. Okay, and Chris. Now Drake Bell, Jose. Sounds a good run of Pop Century. Yo, thanks for jumping in, everybody.